Let's do a Sunday shout out and mail call episode with just the packages this time, not the envelopes and not the boxes. Hey everybody, it's Rob with RobFindsTreasure. That's right, we did envelopes last week. We're doing small packages today. I might get to the boxes later on tonight or tomorrow, but we'll do those in another segment. Felt like going ahead and opening up all of my small packages to see what kind of goodies we got. You guys know the drill. Anyone I get packages from that I have their YouTube channel, I'll list it down below. Be sure to check them out. Give them a subscription if you'd like. Maybe watch a few of their videos. That being said, we've got about 13 packages here, so I'm going to get into them, and we'll start with the one on top. Well, this is a heck of a start. Got a package from Jeff D. There's no letter or anything that I could see, but it's a beautiful 1991 American Silver Eagle. Unbelievable. I know the 90s or the early 90s are harder to get, a little more valuable. Jeff D, wow. Thank you very much, brother. Thank you very much. That's a beautiful ASE, and I will add it to the collection. My next package is an amazing work of art. It comes from Ellen, who says that she was making me some chips, was a little saddened when I already received some for my bag, but then thought, you can't get mad at that. I'm an artist. She doesn't collect coins, doesn't need a shout out, just as an artist, and wanted to make me some masterpieces to add to my collection. Look at these chips. I'll grab one just to start. This is a caterpillar, and on the back, she had put 40. Look at the artistry of this chip. How many brush strokes and how much time did it take for her to make all these? We're going to run through them. She made 3 chips that are dead presidents, Washington, Jackson, and Lincoln. And I'll just pull up one real quick. Unbelievable. We've got a Daisy Rose, a Posey, a Black Eyed Susan, and a Queen Anne's lace. 4 old masters. Munch's The Scream, Van Gogh's Starry Night, Da Vinci's Mona Lisa, Vermeer's Girl with the Pearl Earring. Unbelievable. 4 beverages. Wine for me, water for Charlani, coffee and beer. 4 landscapes. Sunset, forest, waterfall, pasture. 5 dead musicians. Prince, Bowie, Elvis, Bob Marley, and Freddie Mercury. 4 bugs. Dragonfly, ladybug, butterfly, caterpillar, and even stuff for the garden, an avocado, an orange, and a lemon. Ellen, these are magnificent pieces of art. I likely won't use them in my bag because I don't want them dinging against each other, but are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I would love to know a website, and if you sell other pieces of art like this, I'd love to post it down below or give you a proper shout out. These are fantastic. Wow. Thank you, Ellen, very much for thinking of me. She said she sent this just as a thank you for the content that Charlene and I provide and hopes that I like them. Well, no doubt that I love them. No doubt you spent a lot of time putting work into these, and I appreciate that you gave them to me. Thank you very much, Ellen. Feel free to comment down below so people can go ahead and check out whatever information you have if you have these up for sale. Amazing. My next package comes from, once again, Meakin. Once upon a time, Meakin went on a vacation to a place called Bull-Ox Eye. What a funny name for a place. All the flashing lights and noise almost made Meakin crazy. But one nice machine gave Meakin some nice coins. So Meakin wants Mr. Rob to have one for luck. Meakin. Boom. 3 nines fine silver, limited edition, collector series, Isle of Capri Casino, Biloxi, Mississippi. We've got a silver casino token. Unbelievable. Very, very nice, Meakin. I don't know if I'm worthy of it, but I'll take the good luck and the beautiful poetry. My very next package comes from Carmen Inna. Hello, Rob. Enclosed you will find 2 Canadian nickels for your collection book, a 41 and a 49. I hope your trip was fantastic. Karma, it was fantastic, as you know. Appreciate you sending these to me. I'm sorry that I'm late with the mail call, but I'm not sorry to add these beauties to my collection folder. And you know what's nice is I needed them, as you know. So we are 2 nickels closer to completing my album. Thank you so much, Carmen Inna, for your support of my streams, my channel, and for the goodies you sent me. My next package comes from IsThatSoMike, who said that after one of my live streams, he wanted to send me his channel magnets and his website information, fartlife.lol. You gotta love it. Take a look at these magnets. Very cool, brother. Very cool. Fart Life, I'll have to check that out. On top of that, IsThatSoMike also sent me a beautiful Star Wars Episode 3 limited edition challenge coin. Man, you can't get mad at that. Thank you so much, IsThatSoMike. I'll be sure to check out your channel, and I appreciate you sending me some goodies. My next package comes from somebody who says that they wish this to remain anonymous. It was a trade, but I just wanted to show you. I'm super excited. I got some more older Canadian nickels, a 24, 28, 34, 36, 41, 42, 56, 70 in fantastic shape, and a few other ones that my book had maybe not so nice ones in. They thought, hey, saw that your book was missing some nickels, wanted to send me some. I gave them some in return. You know who you are. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. My next package comes all the way from Switzerland. Dear Rob, best wishes from a Swiss subscriber. Sent me some goodies, got some information regarding the goodies, and even a legend to help me figure and identify. Some notes about them, the material that they were used to mint, the year they were, and the face value. He lets me know that the coins in the package range from 1881 to 1931. The 1, 2, and 5 franc, as well as the 50 Rappen coins, were made from 835 silver until 1967, when they changed to copper nickel. The 2 Rappen 2 Swiss cents coin was discontinued in 1978, and the 1 Rappen coin in 07. I could read on and on, but I think we'll get down to the nitty gritty of it. This is some cool Swiss coins. Take a look at these backs and fronts, first and foremost. And silver as well. Can't get mad at that. And here's the other side. Some obverses, some reverses. I really love this one right here. Wow. Some of these I have found coin roll hunting, but not this old, that's for sure. Very awesome package. I don't know the full name, but PT, thank you very much, all the way from Switzerland, thinking about my channel, sending in some goodies as appreciation for the content. My next package comes from Milone Money Mindset. He had sent me an email saying he was super excited about joining the YouTube coin community. He recently started his own channel a few weeks ago, and while he doesn't focus exclusively on silver and coin hunting, he does add that material to his videos. His channel focuses on investing and building a better financial future, and he does believe investing in silver is a great way to achieve that goal. If we all get a chance, check out his channel, Milone Money Mindset. I want to have a 1 ounce silver giveaway on my channel to celebrate the 100th subscriber when I hit that milestone. Hope you enjoy the coins and foreign currency. I look forward to watching your future hunts. He has done some of his own hunts, and he wanted to share some of the finds with me, so check it out. We've got some wheat cents here, a 41, a 51, a 55, and a couple of 56s, and of course some constitutional silver, a 57, GW quarter, and some rosies, a 48, a 52, and a 54. On top of that, he even gave you some foreign currency from the Philippines and from Canada. Milone Money Mindset. Well, I'm sure you're probably already at 100 subscribers because I've been sitting on this mail for more than a week. But if not, guys, check it out. It'll be down below. And let's find out how we can build a better financial future. Sounds fun to me. Milone Money Mindset, thank you for the package, the kind words, and welcome to the community. Next up, I had 3 packages from Twolf. And there is a lot to cover here. So I'm going to do a lot of paraphrasing for now. He's got several things listed here that are either for myself or for giveaways, and I will need to go through to see what is for me, what is for giveaways. He's got some register finds in here, stuff from his very first penny box that he's hunted. There is a lot. Twolf, you have my word. I'll go through this off camera. It'll take a lot. There's bags of wheat cents. There's some foreigns. He's got some buffalo nickels he's got from his register. Lots and lots of goodies. Too much to go through right now. That being said, he did send me a couple of possible DDRs and some DDOs he wanted me to look at. I did look at them. The 71 and 72 are not DDOs. I pulled them out. I stuck them under the scope. I can assure you, Twolf, they're not. He said that if they were, I could use them as giveaways, but they're really just regular Lincoln cents, no extra value. That being said, he asked me to confirm this 1994 DDR001 and decide whether or not A, it's legit, and B, whether or not it's worth grading. Before I proceed, I want to show this coin because it is in fairly fantastic shape. We'll put it under the scope, even though it's already in a flip. It will blur some of it out, but this is a really nice coin. I'm thinking this is definitely mint state 64 through mint state 66. Probably somewhere there in my opinion. There is only a handful of mint state 66 and 67s out there of this particular coin. And I'll be honest, I looked at it under the scope, and wait till you guys see this. So under the scope, you can clearly see the 1994 Philadelphia minted DDR FS 801 calls for an extra column in the final bay, as well as a partial piece of a column down here. You can clearly see in this image from my microscope right now what that looks like. Pay special attention to this extra column and the fragment of one down there. Now when I go to PCGS's website and I pull up a known 94 DDR FS 801 and I hover over those exact columns, sure enough, you can clearly see the extra column and the partial column. So without a doubt, we are definitely looking at a 1994 DDR FS 801. That being said, going back to PCGS's website, like I said earlier, there are only a handful in the population range after MS65. We've got 9 in MS66, and then if we go to 67, 4 of them have been graded that. One sold for $15.28. So auction record 3250 was sold on 9/4/19 on eBay. That was just over a month ago. Is this an MS67? I don't think so, but it could be somewhere between 65 and 67 for sure. So Twolf asked me to give him an email back on this one. He has some plans in a future video for this. I'm going to give him an email back, see what he wants to do. But holy cow, I have been looking for this coin off and on, I say, because I don't look on every 1994. Because as you can see in PCGS, once you get down to below mint state grade, and I only have it pulled up for mint state now, but even in mint state 60, it's only a $35 coin. So I'm only checking my really high grade 94s. I'm checking their reverses for this exact coin. And I probably look at about 10 to 12 per box, and I've never found it. This is an utter beauty. Twolf, I'll get back to you. I'll also get back to you regarding all of these goodies. I wish I could show them in the mail call, but it will take me a lot of time to prep for these and get them set up to any extent. What an amazing package. What an amazing find that you found. And thank you for sending it to me to take a look at. Well, I think that just about does it for my mail call and shout out video for just the packages. Remember, I'll be doing the boxes here in a few days. I have a handful of boxes, plus a few more envelopes that I'll include with that. I also went ahead and updated my Canadian nickel book, which I'll feature another time as I get close to finishing it. But there's just a handful left in the 1922 to 1965 years. And of course, I'm done from 66 and on. Pretty cool. I want to thank everyone for the package they sent in. I love them all, each in their own unique way. You guys are all very thoughtful, very supportive, and amazing people and members of the community. If you guys enjoyed this shout out and mail call video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.